I try to keep my life wireless and keyless, so here's something I want to add to my key. Now, the only thing I really carry is my car key, my headphones, and an AirTag, just in case I lose them. This is something that's very important, and I actually had one of these. This is from inCharge. Sorry, this is inCharge from Rolling Square. It's basically just a cable, but it's not just any cable. It's a pretty cool cable. And I got the orange color. There's a bunch of colors you can choose from. This is what it is. It's basically a cable which can turn into other cables. So for example, this one is a lightning right now. And then if you pull this, right, you get a USB-C. And then you can put it back. Same thing, a regular USB and then a USB-C. So you could go C to C. Now this one is a fast one. Just forgot the thing of it, but I will leave the link in the description. You guys can check that out. But this one basically is fast charge and everything, so it's got some perks to it. It's, you know, super fast and all that, and it has a cap as well, so, you know, once you're done using it, you can put the cap back on and it looks super sleek. Now the older version just had this cap, and I ended up losing the cap actually. Yeah, and then damaging these things, but you know, once you keep them together like this and the cap is on, it's a great design now and everything, so it'll stay. Now, you know, it just clicks in magnetically like that, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna add this to my keychain here, just like that. It's super easy, right? And I can also take it off, super easy too. I'm gonna just put the cap on, and I have a charger with me at all times. It's pretty cool. It's just a nice gadget to have with you at all times. Just, you know, just never know when you need one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.